Hi guys, welcome back. If you want to see how I prepare this healthy stir fry diabetic veg, come along. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Back in the kitchen again guys. Today I'm here preparing some stir fry vegetable, and this is all my ingredients. I have some cabbage, I have sweet pepper, and I have some carrot, and I have some scallion, and I have some white onion. You can use purple onion, it's very good also. And I have a piece of pumpkin, and I have some scallion and some sweet corn, and I have some basil, and I have some pepper. And guys, you can actually try this recipe, because if you have diabetic, you can actually try this. Good for diabetic. All of these ingredients help to reduce guys. So let's stir fry our vegetable. Just gonna cut up my cabbage, and you can cut up your one big chunky slice if you want. So I'm just gonna put it in my bowl here. Gonna cut up my sweet pepper. Or if I use this side with the yellow. I'm not gonna add in my sweet corn as yet until this almost finished. Here I have my pot on the stove. The pot is hot, so what I'm gonna put in there now is some extra virgin olive oil. Yes, it's very good, so you can just try it. Yeah, that's just gonna pour a little baby tip in there. That's it, nothing more than that. So what I'm gonna do now is just make this well hot. I'm just gonna make it well hot because I'm doing a stir fry veg, okay? Guys, the pot is so hot. So this is your veg. So what I'm gonna do now with this veg is just put my hand in there and just mix it up together. I'm just gonna put it in my pot. I'm not gonna put in my tomato in there yet. I'm gonna add some little plummy tomato and my Larry season. And guys, remember when you use it, if you use salt, you don't use the season, because you use the salt to give taste. Okay? So I'm just gonna pour a little baby tip in there. Just a little baby tip for taste. Nothing more than that, okay? That's it. I don't put any water in there, okay? No water. It smells good, is it? Smells so nice. So what I'm gonna add to this now, it's about 2 minutes to sink it in there. What I'm gonna add to this stir fry veg is some sweet corn, and my plum tomato. So I'm just gonna give this a next spin. It's so beautiful, this look. Yeah, the color is pretty. You can actually have this alone, not with rice or anything. You just can have this alone as a one pot meal. Yeah, so I'm just gonna leave this now, let it steam down for just 3 more minutes, and that's it, okay? Because you want to feel the crunchy, you don't want to get all the minerals and the vitamin out of this vegetable. And I'm gonna test the pumpkin and the carrot and see if I can take it off now, because I don't want to cook out the carrot too much, or the pumpkin. This steams for about 7 minutes. The pumpkin steam and the carrot is good. So you just let this steam for 7 minutes and you get the carrot off cook and the pumpkin off cook, and that's it. Okay guys, I'm gonna just lock off my stove, yeah, and show you the finish. Okay, guys, this is the finished look of my stir fry vegetable. Guys, it's really very healthy. If you have diabetic, remember you can try it. It's very good. You can share it to all your friends, your family. Big up on yourself, share, comment, and tell me all about this recipe. Give me a big thumbs up if you like this video. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bless you all. Bye.
Bye.